The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Fresh for the new year, PayPal now allows you to accept your payments from your content on your channels directly to your PayPal account using PYUSD. That's PayPal stablecoin that's tied to the US dollar. Let's talk about what that is right here, right now, and how to set it up on the Ujamaa network. First, let's go to PayPal and opt in to PYUSD. From your home screen, go ahead and click on crypto. Search down on the left-hand side there and select opt-in under the PYUSD rewards. You're getting 4% on your PYUSD and you can buy it, maybe later. And you're good. From your Google AdSense page, just go ahead and click on payments and payment info. Middle of your screen, how to get paid, go ahead and click add payment and select how to create a PayPal hyperwallet account for fast and flexible payments. Go ahead and click that. And we're going to link a hyperlink to your page. Hit continue. It's going to use the email address that you're using. Activate your new hyperwallet account and get paid. Make sure you copy your payee ID into your clipboard. Go to your email address and activate your account. It may take some time for that activation to actually occur, but that's how you set it up. Now, what is PYUSD? Well, it's a stable coin. It's been around since 2023. What it is a digital asset. It's a dollar by any other name, just like Tether was or is, and just like how you currently use USD when you're trying to move your cryptocurrency off chain to a digital asset, a digital dollar. The USD, USDC, or Tether, which is USDT, these are ways to get dollar for dollar values out of your cryptocurrency. Here's the big difference. With other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum or XRP, those are digital assets that are treated more like investments, meaning the value of those coins go up and they're not tied to a particular US fiat currency. What this means is you're not really trading it. It's not a tradable asset. This is a currency similar to like a Forex. You got a dollar for dollar match for each type of stable coin that is out there. Stablecoins allow you to effect transactions much faster, meaning that there's no settlement time or near no settlement time as opposed to going through a traditional bank. This is the advantage that cryptocurrency brings to content creators. In the case with YouTube, by now instituting a policy where you can opt in to get your payments directly to PYUSD, you no longer have to wait for that check in the mail. It comes straight to your card. And it's as simple as that. Now, all the other rules still apply with your content creator checks. You have to have over $100 before PayPal even sends you any money. But when you start making the big bucks, you can now have that money ready to go, which is a benefit to many content creators, especially now, seeing as how platforms like TikTok are diminishing those payments. Go ahead, get your YouTube accounts, get your numbers up, and start getting that money direct to your wallet. Let me know what you think about this video below in the comment section, and I'll talk to you later.